The heart is a vital organ in the human body that plays a crucial role in keeping us alive. This intricate and fascinating organ is about the size of one's clenched fist and is positioned slightly to the left of the center of the chest cavity. It's nestled between the two lungs, safely shielded by the robust rib cage. Quite literally, the center of our existence, the heart forms the core of our circulatory system. As the primary life-supporting organ, the heart's functionality is far from simple. Its primary function includes the pumping of blood to ensure a constant circulation throughout the body. This relentless pumping, the rhythmic thumping we often take for granted, is what carries oxygen and nutrients to every cell, every tissue, every organ, and every system in our bodies. From the tiniest of cells in the fingertips to the larger, more complex organs such as the brain and lungs, each relies on the heart's ceaseless delivery of life-sustaining essentials. The heart, unlike any other organ in the body, has the crucial task of waste removal. As the blood circulates, it collects metabolic waste products from various cells and tissues. These waste products are carried back to the heart, which then pumps them into the lungs where they are expelled from the body. This dual delivery and waste removal system sustains life, providing cells with the necessary elements for growth and repair, and simultaneously cleaning up the byproducts of these processes. Oxygen-rich blood and nutrient-laden blood are provided by the heart, which acts as the body's central supply station. It ensures that every part of the body receives what it needs to function optimally. Its relentless beating, the rhythmic lub-dub sound we can feel in our chest or hear with a stethoscope, is the reassurance of life itself, a testament to the tireless work of this extraordinary organ. The unlike simpler muscular organs has an intricate structure. It is divided into 4 chambers, 2 on the top, known as atria, and 2 on the bottom, called ventricles. These chambers work together in synchronized harmony to pump blood throughout our body. The atria, the smaller upper chambers, receive blood that comes into the heart. The ventricles, the larger lower chambers, pump blood out of the heart. This 4-chambered design is a marvel of biological engineering, allowing for efficient and controlled blood flow. The chambers of the heart are separated by a set of valves. These valves are like the traffic guards of the heart. They meticulously control the flow of blood, ensuring that it moves in the right direction and at the right time. They open and close with each heartbeat, maintaining a one-way traffic system. The intricate design and functionality of these, the backflow of blood, thereby maintaining a steady and unidirectional flow throughout the circulatory system. This description of the heart's structure and function only scratches the surface of its complexity and importance. Beyond the physical, the heart has immense symbolic and emotional significance. It's considered the seat of emotions and feelings, a symbol of love and compassion. Yet, from a biological point of view, it could be said that the heart's primary job is to keep us alive. The ceaseless beating, the dedication to supplying oxygen and nutrients, the commitment to removing waste products, all these are proof of its tireless work to life. Without the heart, our body would not be able to function properly, and we would not be able to survive. The heart is a muscular organ located in the center of the chest, between the lungs. It is roughly the size of a fist and beats approximately 100,000 times a day. The heart is made up of 4 chambers, 2 upper chambers called the atria, and 2 lower chambers called the ventricles. These chambers are separated by valves that ensure the blood flows in the right direction. The primary function of the heart is to pump blood throughout the body. This process is essential as it ensures that all the cells and tissues in our body receive the necessary oxygen and nutrients to carry out their functions. The heart pumps oxygen-rich blood from the lungs to the rest of the body, and then receives oxygen-depleted blood from the body and pumps it back to the lungs to be reoxygenated. The heart also plays a crucial role in maintaining blood pressure. Blood pressure represents the pressure exerted by the blood onto the walls of the blood vessels. This pressure is necessary for the blood to flow through the blood vessels and reach all parts of the body. The heart works as a pump, creating the necessary pressure to keep the blood flowing and maintaining a healthy blood pressure level. Another vital function of the heart is to regulate the body's temperature. When the body gets too hot, the heart pumps more blood to the skin, allowing heat to escape through the skin's surface. On the other hand, when the body gets too cold, the heart pumps less blood to the skin, conserving heat in the body's core. The heart also plays a crucial role in the immune system. It carries white blood cells, which are responsible for fighting off infections and diseases to various parts of the body. These white blood cells help to keep us healthy and protect us from harmful bacteria and viruses. Furthermore, the heart is responsible for maintaining the body's fluid balance. It works in coordination with the kidneys to ensure that the body has enough fluid to function correctly. The heart pumps blood to the kidneys, which filter out waste products and excess water from the blood. The kidneys then send the filtered blood back to the heart to be circulated throughout the body. The heart also has an important role in the digestive system. It pumps blood to the digestive organs, providing them with the necessary oxygen and nutrients to break down food and absorb nutrients. Without a properly functioning heart, the digestive system would not be able to function correctly, leading to various health issues. In addition to these vital functions, the heart also plays a significant role in our emotional well-being. The heart is often associated with love, compassion, and vitality, symbolizing the very essence of humanity. Stay tuned for more enriching content on health, lifestyle, and wellness. Subscribe now to embark on a journey towards a happier, healthier you.